Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to delete all posts on Facebook. You can easily remove all your Facebook posts in one click. Open Facebook app, log in your Facebook account, click 3 menu bar, click settings and privacy, click settings, go to activity log, click manage your post, you can select the post that you want to delete. Click this icon, then select move to trash, click move to trash. If you want to delete all the posts at once, then click on select all. Then click trash, click move to trash. Then click trash, select all, click this icon, then select delete, then click delete. I hope all your posts have been deleted. Thanks for watching.